everybody, it's Neil, and I just finished a workout, so I'm kind of gross, but we're gonna check out this thing here. This is the Ticktime. So this is what it looks like. Comes in a little box like this. That's the barcode. I don't know if that does anybody any good, but let's open this up and see what it looks like inside. Looks like it should be a pretty fancy looking little timer thing. Let's see, what am I doing wrong here? Oh, it's got tape on the sides there. Comes plastic and taped up on the sides. Very well secure. They don't want anyone breaking into it. Man, can't get this open. Okay, there's one side. And the other side. Okay, well, let's open this up. And here we go. This is what it looks like here. Here's the instructions. They are little. Here's this if you need to see it. Here, I'll show you this side first. So if you need to see it, I don't know if it's focused, but hopefully it is. You could pause it and zoom in on it. And then here's the other side. So let's check this thing out here. So let's see, it comes with a charging wire, which is micro USB, it looks like. USB, why is it not focusing? Well, whatever, micro USB to USB. And then here comes in these foam, very well packaged. And this is what it looks like. Wow, that is very pretty. So we've got the little settings section over there, and then the little button up top too. So let's see, how do we do this here? Probably gonna need to charge it. But let's see, turning on and off, press any key to start. Oh, I did, and there it is. And then we press the S and V and MV at the same time and hold it for 3 seconds. Oh, that's to turn it off. So there, now it's off. So we push any button to turn it on, and then that one to turn it off, and you can see it lights up like on the side. And I guess we can choose how much time, flip the fast countdown. So we can put it on whatever side. So if we put it there, now you can see it's flashing 5. So that'll be a 5-minute timer. And then if I want to do a 3, I could do a 3-minute. That's very cool. So like if you wanted to set, if you're gonna go in the shower and you wanna set the kids to only go for like maybe a 5-minute timer, you can say 5 and then it'll beep after 5 minutes. Or if you're cooking something and you're like, I do a 3-minute egg, put it on 3. If you wanted to make sure you were working out like me, I would say, okay, I wanna make sure I run for 30 minutes, put it on the 30. And then when it's done, it'll beep. So very cool. So let's just leave it on 3 here. And then that's the fast flip countdown. So that's very cool. And then you can do customized countdowns with the buttons on there. So if I was to push these buttons here, so you can see right now it's counting down. So what are we at now? At 2 minutes and 46 seconds. It's weird. I don't know if it does it backwards or not, but it says 2 minutes and 40 seconds right now. But you could change it with the buttons here and stuff like that. So very cool looking little device here. And then I'm not sure what this one is. I think that'll probably reset it somehow. Timing starts, and then timing, and turn the digital screen face down and start timing from 0. Oh, that's to set a timer. So if you wanted to time from 0, you could just do that. And now it'll start timing from 0. So now it'll just be like a countdown timer. Very cool. So you could do a count up timer. So that one there was 5 seconds. So very cool concept here. This does a lot of different timing things and very simple to use. I mean, you can see, I should be putting it on this. Very simple to use. I like it. Thumbs up from me. I'm going to put a link to this in the description. Be sure to pick one of these up. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks.